Amale Navambale of ACS in lane 5. Lane 6 is Andy Newsere of Wainimala. 7 Lorraine of Sila Central. And Raicheli in lane 8 for Waindina. Lane 4 and 5 ACS. Watch for Naomi Navunga. Lane 4. Slow start, but the ACS girls slow. Did they get called back? No, they're going. Here's Naomi Navunga now. Now she makes the move. She held back for a while and now she puts the foot on the pedal. Wow, she could even relax at the back, and then when she decides to take on the field, she does what she wants to. She's in control and she wins this. What a space. Naomi Navunga. 100 meters gold earlier. 200 meters gold now. She looks good, she looks smart. And she strolled for the first 50 meters and then she picked it up. She smokes the competition. Naomi Navunga, ACS. Very strong finish. She was just on an afternoon jog till she decided to put that foot on the pedal, and then she picked it up at about the 70-80 meter mark, and she left everybody in her wake. Very good runner. She will be the female athlete of the 2021 Triple N Zone, ACS Gold and Silver. She acknowledges the ACS support on the grandstand.